Is there anything, as we only have a couple minutes left, is there anything that you recommend doing? So for students at this point, when they're considering applying to vet school, they're about to graduate, what would you recommend doing to prepare yourselves for veterinary school?
I mean, it's a mental game at the end of the day.
Yeah.
You also are going to be moving to the other side of the world in theory if most of you are from North America. And keep in mind the time zones are very different. It's like 15-hour differences. So it's a bit daunting at first, like when you can't call your parents when you just want to call them, or your friends or your family or whoever you are is your support system. So I feel like you just kind of have to be mindful that if this is really what you want to do, like this is your path, then you need to be strong about it because it's not always going to be easy. You're going to be homesick, 100%. I can guarantee you in the first semester, you're going to freak out a little bit, but that's okay. That's normal. You are a human, and it doesn't mean that you're in the wrong place or the wrong position. It just means you're adjusting to what your new life is going to be. But yeah, it's a journey no matter what. It may take a little bit longer for you to adjust. You may adjust right away and not miss anybody at home. It totally depends. But I think, yeah, as long as you mentally prepare, you will be okay. Because it's exhausting. The program is hard. It's very rewarding, but there's a lot of study involved. A lot more that I should be doing, but depends. Like you just have to kind of pick and choose if you want to balance socializing and grades as well. Like you can't always have perfect marks, and it's not required to have perfect marks either. As long as you understand the content, a lot of your learning will be done outside of university when you apply it. It's really hard to properly learn until you understand what you're looking at. And then once you understand what you're looking at, you can actually diagnose and do whatever. But it's a step-by-step process. So being wrong is very normal. You will be wrong a lot. That's just part of learning.
Yeah, and I think just to build on that, try different study methods now, because when you get to vet school, you're going to realize that the way you've been studying doesn't work. Just because you're being thrown different concepts at you, different body systems, different species constantly. And you're going to realize, okay, maybe making a flashcard for every single thing isn't the most useful way to go about it. So try mind maps, try recording yourself and listening back to it while you're doing your makeup for the day or watching TV, like whatever. So like look up different ways of studying, try them now, figure out what works best for you now and what you really like, what really just doesn't work for you. And you can modify it as you go through. Every single year, I was using different study techniques because everything you learn is so complex and so new. And it's just, you're always going to switch up how you're learning. So I think trying those and figuring out what kind of works for you now will save you a lot of stress and struggle in the future. I learned that the hard way. So learn from my mistakes and try some out
I
now.
still don't know how to study, and I'm in third year. It's
I
always
graduated and I still don't know how I got through
every
it. So
exam. I'm like, right, probably should have prepped that note. No,
yeah.
never done a summary in my life. It's fine though. You
Mm.
get through it
Yeah.
eventually.
And I think building off what you said, like, yeah, having perfect marks is not the goal of vet school. Like, honestly, the hardest studying is going to be like getting into vet school. Worry about your marks. Second you're in vet school, just get through it because everyone's going to
Honestly,
graduate with the same degree, no matter what, whether you're top of the class, bottom of the class, as long as you get that degree. Because truly, that's what matters is how you apply that knowledge later on. It's the actual like grade and how they test you. Yeah, you got to get through it. But honestly, as long as you have that degree at the end of the day, that's all that matters. So I think you have to give yourself grace because this is a mental game. Mental health in the veterinary community is terrible. It really is. It's one of those things that we do struggle with as a community. So I think giving yourself grace, having a support system, especially when you're abroad, finding those people that you can lean on is so important. So building those social structures, I think, is almost as important as the academic side of that school for sure, because you
I wouldn't
need,
survive without my
yeah,
friends at
yeah,
all.
exactly. They're they're built-in family essentially. So I think, yeah, like academics, of course, is important, but I think building that is also extremely important as well. So.
100%.